Assalamu alaikum students. Hope so you all are feeling well. Students, today we will discuss a new unit number 5, The Rain. Student, this is a short poem written by W.H. Davis. He is an American poet. Students, this poem contains only 2 stanzas and has a symbolic or hidden meanings. It is a very beautiful poem about the nature. In this poem, students, the poet clearly expresses his views about the rain and the social discriminations found in our society. But students, here is also a good point about the poet, that he is an optimist and he thinks positively. He is determined that very soon and one day there would be equality and peace in our society. That's all about the poem. Let's see, students, on page number 56 I have told you that this is a very short poem containing only 2 stanzas, and in the first stanza the poet writes, I hear leaves drinking rain. मैं पत्तों को बारिश पीते हुए सुनता हूँ. Students, you can see here in this sentence there is a example of personification. Students, personification is a figurative language technique in which a human trait is given to a non-living thing. Students, you can see that rain is drunk by leaves, and you can imagine that a leaf can't drink rain. It's a human trait. So here is an example of personification. In the next sentence, I hear rich leaves. I hear rich leaves on top. चोटी पर घने पत्तों को सुनता हूँ. गिविंग द पुअर बीनीथ, नीचे कम घने पत्तों को देते हुए. स्टूडेंट्स, here you can see the poet has used 2 words, rich and poor. Rich and poor leaves both are symbolic for the rich people and poor people. In the next line, drop after drop, बूंद बूंद पानी या कतरे के बाद कतरा. This a sweet noise to hear. This, students, in this line, this is a mixture of 2 words that are it is or this is. A sweet noise, एक मीठा शोर, and you can say जल तरंग, to hear, सुनना. This is a sweet noise to hear or this a sweet noise to hear. ये सुनने में एक मीठा शोर लगता है. These green leaves drinking near, इन सब्ज पत्तों को या इन सरसब्ज पत्तों को करीब ही सुनते हुए. And in the second stanza the poet writes, and when the sun comes out, और जब सूरज निकलता है, after this rain shall stop, जब ये बारिश रुक जाएगी, a wondrous light will fill, wondrous खैरा कर देने वाली, right रोशनी will fill भर देगी, each हर एक, dark बेनूर, round drop गोल कतरे को, गोल बूंद को. I hope the sun shines bright, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि सूरज खूब चमकेगा. Students, as I told you earlier that the poet is an optimist, means he thinks positively. So he is hopeful that one day all the discrimination that is found in our society will be finished, and there would be equality and peace in the society.